Microwaves, a form of electromagnetic radiation with short wavelengths, are most often associated with our kitchens, but have a range of applications, including communications, navigation, and radar. Founded in 1970, TRM Microwave is a global leader in the design and manufacture of custom and ready-to-build RF and microwave components, integrated assemblies, and subsystems for defense, space, and commercial applications. The company's product line covers DC to 40 gigahertz with power handling of up to 100 kilowatts. Here to tell us more is Wendy Tirollo, owner and CEO of TRM Microwave. Wendy, welcome. Let's start here. What sets you apart from the other companies in the RF and microwave field?
What sets us apart from our competitors is that 96% of our parts are custom built, and we offer unmatched design development and engineering partnerships that complete our customers' ideas. So we'll co-write specifications and use best practices to understand their needs so we can come up with the best innovative solutions.
So what have you found are the biggest challenges in the RF microwave industry, and how is TRM meeting those challenges?
One of our challenges is the RF industry as a whole is facing a shortage of talented, skilled, and interested graduates going into the RF industry. I actually spoke last year at the New Hampshire Senate Committee hearing on small business and entrepreneurship on this very topic, suggesting that we should do some refreshing and energizing campaigns starting in the middle and high schools. We need to get the next generation excited and passionate at a much younger age. Secondly, TRM's goal is always to try and focus on collaborating with the appropriate engineer, which isn't always easy because it is critical to get in on the conceptual design phase before programs are awarded.
Finally, can you tell me about some of TRM Microwave's latest achievements?
Sure. We successfully achieved AS9100 certification after our first audit. Secondly, TRM was recently chosen over 20 other companies in a 3-year-long vetting process for participation in the Department of Defense Mentor-Protege program. In fact, Raytheon, a Tier 1 prime defense contractor, is actually our mentor. It's a mutually beneficial relationship. We work closely with them on programs, and they help us to improve our infrastructure and ultimately diversify and expand the overall base of our marketplace participation. And finally, within the last year, we proudly celebrated both our 46th anniversary and our first-year anniversary as a woman-owned small business.
That was Wendy Tirollo. Visit TRM Microwave online at trmmicrowave.com.